Hey everybody, Dr. Emil Faith here with the Sensitive Files. You know, chronic fatigue is a common complaint among the masses, but for the ultra-sensitive peeps like you and I, it's often a daily occurrence, making it difficult to function, to get through our day, or even to get out of bed. That's because empaths like us are programmed to feel everything about everyone, even when we think we're not. The planet, the people, and well beyond. And that, my friends, can suck the life out of you and leave you feeling lifeless, apathetic, and exhausted. Ready to get re-energized, motivated, and on top of your game, whatever that is? Stop pushing so hard. You don't have to prove anything to anyone else, especially yourself. Start giving yourself some credit and quit putting yourself down. Accept the fact that you are brilliant. Yeah, you are. You are not a victim. You are good enough, and you came here to leave your mark. So do it. And while you're out there changing the world, don't forget to rest during the day whenever possible. Despite what our society thinks, our bodies were not designed to run full speed 16 hours a day. And make sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of high quality sleep each night. If you're not, that's the first thing you need to fix. Next, start giving your liver some love with milk thistle supplements and liver supporting foods like broccoli, beets, artichokes, and more. That'll kick up some energy. And work with a practitioner to help clear yourself of those hidden infections like that tricky little Epstein-Barr virus that's draining your energy reserves and messing with your sensitive immune system and your sensitive body. Lysine supplements can go a long way to getting that viral trickster under control. Finally, do make sure to limit your exposure to all electronics, computers, phones, fluorescent lights, Wi-Fi, the energies of negative people, and so much more out there in that big scary world trying to take you down. Don't let them. More survival tips in our next installment. Until then, stay strong and be grateful for everything. Cheers.